Hey guys, welcome back to the not study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you try to change your country or region in your iPhone or iPad, you may face a problem that you cannot change the storefront information for your account at this time. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back, and first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS gadget, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, you may click here on Wi-Fi. Here is the option of your Wi-Fi name, so click here, click on forget this network and connect it again. And if you're connected to mobile data, you make sure that your 3G, 4G or 5G is working properly. After this guys, here the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then you may click here on general and click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. After this guys, here is the option of background app refresh, so you may click here and you may turn this on. Then you may click here on date and time and click on set automatically turn this on. After this, here the option of language and region, so you may click here and you may change your region to that region where you lives. After this, here is the option of your Apple account, so you may click here and click here on your payment method, so you may click here and remove all payment methods from here. After this, you may go back and open your app store, and now you may click here on your profile icon, and here is the option of add money to account, so you may click here and you may just wait for some second guys. So let's check. So this interface will be open guys. So here you may check your balance, that is 00. So if you have balance here or balance shows here, then guys there are two ways to spend this balance. You may just purchase any app or subscription from your app store. The second method is guys, you may just click here on your Safari browser and in search bar you may write here sport.apple.com. so this interface will be open guys. So you may select your gadget from here. If you're using iPhone, you may select iPhone, or if you are using any other gadget, you may select that one. Here you may see that here the option of get sport, so you may click here on start now and you may just wait for some second. So this interface will be open guys. Here you may select more and you may select app store from here. Then you may click here on continue and you may just wait. So this interface will be open. Two options will be shown here, call or chat. So chat option is not available in some countries, so you may select call option, and guys this number will be shown. These numbers are different according to your country or region, so you may contact on this number to Apple support team and tell them your problem and ask them to remove your balance. So your balance will be 00 from here. And after this guys, you may go back and you may just open settings again and click here on media and purchases, click here on view account, and now you may check. You can easily change your country or region from here. So let's check as I am changing my country or region or location from here. So you may check, I have already selected United States, so you may click here on country region. So this interface will be open guys. Click here on change country or region. So click here on USA or any other country where you live. I am selected United States again. So you may check I am not sticking here, and click here on terms and condition. Here you may write your payment method, your complete billing address. Then click here on next and you will check your problem will be fixed, and you can easily change your country region from here easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.